Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my $5 eyebrow routine. I've been doing this for a month or so now, and I feel like this is the best routine I found so far to do my eyebrows. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, keep watching. So these are my bare natural eyebrows, which I know you're probably like, one thing I've always struggled with is doing my eyebrows. Like, I just could never do my eyebrows. Even now, like, I'm okay, but I'm definitely not the best. I remember when I was like 19, I used to do my eyebrows myself, and I don't know why. One day I just looked in the mirror. I realized I was like shaving my eyebrows to like here, like to the middle of my eyes. Oh my god, it was horrible. I don't think I have a picture of it. If I do, I'll put it here. I'm pretty sure I don't. The past couple of years, I've been getting my eyebrows threaded. I go like every 3 weeks or like once a month if I can try to stretch it out. Just with everything going on, I haven't done my eyebrows since like March. Actually, I did do it once in August just because they were so bad, so I wanted to just kind of do them just so I can continue shaping it up from there. I've been trying to do them on my own. Oh my god, if I can just look up closer here. I actually kind of trimmed them, shaped them up last night. When I thought like I was gonna do this video, I was like, oh, I should have saved that for the video. But then I remembered, like, you could see here, this little kind of, it's kind of grown in now, but it was definitely a chunk taken out because I messed up. So basically how I kind of keep up my eyebrows is I use this little, I call this a tinkle just because, like, I don't know, back in the day when I kind of first discovered these, the brand that they had in the beauty supply, it was Tinkle. So I always call these tinkles, but I guess these are like, I don't know, eyebrow shavers or face shavers. I got this from Target. I think it was like 3 for $3.99, which is not bad. Basically, I just take it and I just kind of come down like this. And I just kind of follow my natural shape just because I like my brows thick. I feel like when I used to get my eyebrows done, even when I got them threaded, especially when I used to get them waxed, like at the nail salon, they used to be like so pencil thin. And I just, I don't like the way that looks now. I like them more thicker. When I leave them just a little bit thicker and just kind of shape kind of my natural brow, then I don't have to get them done as often. I feel like when they're like kind of pencil thin, especially since like I'm hairy, so the next week they're already grown in and then I'll have to get them done, and it's just like I like them thicker and just kind of shape up what I naturally have. And then I'll go in with this little tweezer. I don't know where this is from actually. I must have got it from the beauty supply because I can't think of where else I got it from. It says LA Cross on it, if that helps. Then I'll just go in and kind of, if there's anything else, like little hairs I need to pluck. And then what I do is I'll take like a little spoolie, or this is like a double-sided brush. So then I'll go like this and I'll bring this up and then I'll kind of trim my brows. So last night I kind of trimmed up my brows and I was like, oh, I should have saved that for the video. Then I remembered, like, let me kind of go closer. I think like 2 or 3 weeks ago, you can see right here, it's a little patchy because I was using this and I went down a little bit too much and it literally took like this chunk out. It's grown in more, but you can see like it's more sparse right here. So, and then I did it to this side too. I don't know how to do my brows, so I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna really show you guys how to do it when I can barely do it myself. I told you guys what I do, so if you guys want to try that, you can. When I was younger, I never really used to like fill in my brows, I guess. I just used to take like a brow gel. I think I used to use like the e.l.f. brow gel and just kind of, just so it would kind of darken up a little bit. I don't know, the older I get, like the more, not this part, that's the chunk I took out, but the older I get, like the more sparse my eyebrows get. They're just not as full as, I know my eyebrows are like kind of thick and full, but definitely when you go up close you can see like it's just kind of sparse and it just looks kind of better when it's filled in, especially when you have makeup on. So what we're going to be using today is the Morphe brow pencil. I've been using this for a little bit. I really like the way it comes out. So this is the Morphe micro brow pencil. So I do like that it kind of does give that little like micro brow vibe. This pencil is two-sided. It has a spoolie on one side and then the pencil on the other, and then just adjust it like this. I'm gonna go step by step with one eyebrow and then kind of speed up the other. What I like to do first is take the spoolie part and just kind of brush it up. I brush it up, but also I want it to just kind of go, I want it to go where it naturally will fall. Maybe I'll assume you guys did actually. Okay, so I'm just brushing this up. I know some people kind of like shave off this part and then they just create it with the pencil. I don't have the courage to do that just because I don't do my eyebrows every day. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be following the shape. I mean, I think that's the main point or the main goal I try to achieve when I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm just following the shape and just following the way the hairs go. I'm not trying to create a new shape. I'm just trying to follow the shape of my eyebrows and just fill in, I guess, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna start off with, I'm gonna go about right here. And I'm just filling this in. Going all the way down. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top, not starting here. I'm starting like, I don't know, a quarter back. I don't know. Okay. Again, still following my natural shape, and I'm just gonna bring that down. So it's basically like your outline, I guess, if that makes sense. Bring this down a little more. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is kind of fill in. So basically what I like to do, again, like I said, the main goal of this, or the main goal I try to do when I do my eyebrows, is just following the shape. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just doing little strokes and following the shape. I'm doing little strokes just so I can keep intensifying, if that makes sense. Okay. This kind of takes me a minute to do. I just kind of keep going over and over and over until I get it how I like it. With the spoolie, I'm just gonna kind of brush that part out. I just kind of pointed that out just a little bit. I'm gonna take the spoolie side and just kind of brush that all in just a little bit. With this front, I don't want it to be as harsh, I guess, so I attempt to try to make little lines. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, so. Again, like my eyebrows are thicker, so it's kind of hard. I love when people have thinner eyebrows and you can really see like those little lines it create. I can't really do that, so. I mean, I try to, but. So then I'm just gonna kind of brush that out just a little bit. Now I'm gonna do this other side and then I'll show you the next step. I just realized I didn't even tell you guys the colors. The color of the pencil I'm using is Java, if you guys can see. I'm all done with my brows. I know they're not like I know they don't look exactly even. What I do after is I just, if I need to, I just continue using the spoolie and just fluffing it out so it gets a softer look. And what I do next is I just use concealer just to kind of clean everything up and just have it look more crisp and neat. There's three like main concealers I use when I'm doing like, I guess like a no makeup look. I'll use this Maybelline Instant Age Shine Eraser, and this is in the color Golden. When I'm doing a look, I guess a little more dramatic, I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in Medium Sand. This one is a little light, that's why I say like a more dramatic look. And then my OG concealer, the one I used when I first got into makeup, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige. And I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use my Pro Conceal and I'm gonna take a little flat brush like this. You can use, I mean, you know, whatever you like. I'm actually just gonna put it on my hand first. Just gonna put it in my hand first and then just put some on the brush. I'm gonna try to do this as neat as possible. Carefully draw a line. Right under. Oh my god, of course I get one hair. Okay, I'll fix that after. Then I'm gonna take this big brush like this. This is, I don't know, this is a Luxie 233 large fluff brush, I think it's called. Then I just like to blend it out with this brush. You could take like a beauty blender, you could use the same brush. I don't know. I like the blend that this brush gives. You could see like how clean and crisp. Like what a difference, right? Sometimes I do the top, sometimes I don't. I'm not gonna do the top today just because I like the way it looks. Let's do this side. I'm just taking like a little bit of like Pond's cream on this cotton pad, and I'm just taking out the middle and then just taking out the excess. So here is the finished look. This might be a little dramatic for most, but I usually do this when I do my makeup. So when you have all your makeup done and everything, you know, your lashes, just really balances everything out. If I'm not doing makeup, I normally don't do my eyebrows. I really love the look that this Morphe pencil gives. You could also go a step further and still take like an eyebrow gel or like a clear brow wax and do that too, but I like it like this. Again, like I said, the shape is not all there. I know they're not completely even. I don't know how to do my own eyebrows. I'm trying. I hope you guys enjoyed my $5 eyebrow routine. I guess technically with everything added together it's not $5, but if you do your eyebrows, you probably do your makeup, and you probably already have concealer and brushes already. So yes, I will stand by that this is a $5 eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what is your favorite eyebrow pencil or eyebrow product to use. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.